You are not bad at math. You are forced to think abstractly before given the opportunity to think concretely and pictorially, which is not good for your brain, and it's not your fault. So, let's talk about marshmallows. Each of these marshmallows takes 100 bites to finish. So I'm going to put 2 on each of these sticks so that each person coming to my campfire will get 200 bites of marshmallows just from the big marshmallows. Now, these medium-sized marshmallows, they take about 10 bites to finish. So I'm going to start by putting 2 on each of these, but I think I might have some more left over. I just don't want to put too much on the first one and then not have enough left over to share with my second person. Okay, yeah, I've got some more, so I can put 2 more on each. So they're gonna get 4 of the medium marshmallows each, because, you know, that's 4. Why am I so nervous? Because I want to make sure that you understand that you're not bad at math, and I'm stressed that you might leave before you give me the time to convince you. And now these take 1 bite each. These little marshmallows take 1 bite each, so I'm just going to put 3 on each stick. And then each person, if you've been keeping track, gets 2 big marshmallows, 4 medium marshmallows, and 3 small marshmallows. This is 100 bites, this is 40 bites, this is 200 bites, this is 40 bites, and this is 3 bites. So they're each going to be able to take 243 bites, which is pretty cool. Now, if I want to move on to a pictorial representation, I have 2 flowers drawn, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate 486 petals among these 2 flowers. I don't want them to be brown, though, because they wouldn't be pretty. I'm going to start by putting 200 petals on each. Shabba-ba-ba-ba-boom, shabba-ba-ba-ba-boom, sha-da-da-da-da-boom, sha-da-da-da-da-boom. Now, the sound effects, they're important, but they're not mandatory. What is mandatory, however, is that you're going to write 100 on each of these petals so that you or anyone else coming to your garden does not forget that they are 100 petals. Now, I've put on 400 petals onto those flowers. I'm going to add the 80 petals. How am I going to do it? Am I going to put 80 over here? No, then there would be none left to put over here. So I'm going to put 40 over here and then another 40 over here. I'm going to put them in groups of 10. Ready? Boom, 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 boom. That was 10 4 times. I'm sorry. 10 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 groups of 10. 4 groups of 10. That makes 80. I just got to label them. 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, upon each flower, I have 240 petals for a total of 480 petals. I still have to put 6 out. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so how many are on each petal? 243. Just like on each marshmallow stick, there was 243. Which is why, if you want to move to this, you could say 2 goes into 2 4 times, 2 goes into 8 4 times, 2 goes into 2 goes into 4 2 times, 2 goes into 8 4 times, 2 goes into 6 3 times. That's why it's 243. But if you didn't understand how to do this or what it meant, and you were never given the chance to do this or do this, it is absolutely not your fault. You are not bad at math. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all.